All right, so before me today, I have the head out of an either 1000 or 900 Rotax engine. I don't know anything about these, so if you guys know something about them, leave it in the comments below. This was actually sent in by a customer for our free application testing, so I'm very excited to dive into this thing. As you can see, it's had a very hard life, so we're gonna first try and remove a lot of this potentially dirt, rust, not sure what this is. I'm gonna be using a glass bead and aluminum oxide mixture, so we'll make some quick work of that. And then if that's not shiny enough for us, I'll probably throw it in just a straight glass bead machine. Our testing last time with the mixture that we have in our glass bead and aluminum oxide machine, it actually turned out quite nice. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay. If the results don't speak for themselves, that was legitimately 5 seconds in this machine. Look at that. Completely clean. Now I know a lot of you are thinking, as you see me blasting those sealing surfaces, whoa man, what are you doing? You're gonna ruin those. But actually, because you have the water in there, it's cushioning the abrasive as it's hitting the surface, so you're not gonna erode any of those sealing surfaces. They're gonna be perfectly fine. You can immediately put this thing back together and have no issues with it. Now, if you were doing this with sandblasting, you have to be very cautious because again, that abrasive is gonna hit with much more force. It's gonna be able to actually remove some of that metal and you might damage those sealing surfaces. But with vapor honing, it's no problem. Talk about a total world of difference, guys. This thing looks nothing like it did when we brought it in here. And again, this really only took me about 10 minutes, and that's because the last 5 minutes was me attempting to be a perfectionist, which I'm not, but I want to be. Went back and re-hit a few of the spots that I had missed, kind of down in these deeper crevices that no one would really notice, but this thing turned out flawless. Now, it does have a little bit darker of a shine than you would see with the standard glass bead, but to be honest with you, the performance that you get from having that little bit of aluminum oxide, it's worth the trade-off, well worth the trade-off. You guys can see on the bottom here, that carbon buildup is completely gone, and even down inside the exhaust port over here, completely gone. And again, that came off no issue. These machines are an amazing time saver. They make things look great. That we've even brought stuff in before that I'm like, there's no way this is gonna turn out nice, and it turns out looking flawless. So if you guys are actually ready to start getting results just like this, you can check out our website. It's vaporhoningtechnologies.com, and you can call us at 828-202-5563. Remember, we've got machines for everyone. So no matter what your budget is, no matter where you need to start, we've got it. And we've also got our trade-up program. So say you start with something like the VH700 right here. It's a perfect hobbyist machine. And later down the line, you realize you want to turn this into something you're actually making money off of, offer it as a service, but you need a larger machine. Send in the machine that you purchased from us initially. You'll get all the money back towards a larger machine. That way you guys can get the equipment that you need in your shop. So again, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. If you have any parts, send them in for free application testing. We love showing what our machines are capable of for you guys. Thank you all for watching, and we hope you have a great day. Peace.